Hi friends, welcome to WebChamp. In this video, I am going to discuss how to open a website from Power BI Visuals. So let's see how we can do this, how to add a website to specific icon or button or shape in Power BI. Okay, let's say if you have a page here, I will say web URL. And let's say sometime you may want to uh, open the website or add the link of any website in your Power BI visuals. So you will be able to do that. Okay. So I'm going to use this arrow and yes. So once you select the icon or once you insert the button, what you can do, you can go to the action and there is something called web URL. Once you select this web URL, it will allows us to enter the web URL. Okay. So if I say HTTPS, okay, you need to make sure you will enter the proper URL, otherwise it is not going to work. And if I say google.com, okay, so I have entered the URL of google.com. This is how I have defined the action. Okay, now it's time to hit the enter button. The moment I hit the enter button, you will be able to see that it has opened one window here. Okay, if you want to open the another window, if I select this and hit the enter button, you will be able to see that it has opened another window. Okay, so now so far we have two windows. For the one more trial we will do. If I hit the enter button, it will say it has three windows, right? So every time whenever I click on the button, whatever the button or whatever the shape I have added here, so it will be open or it will be able to open the that website in a browser, whatever the browser you will selected. Okay, that is whatever will be system default browser you are using, it will use that browser and open the that specified website URL. This is about how to add or how to open the website from Power BI visuals. I hope you like the content of this video. Thank you so much for watching the video. Have a nice day. Please do not forget to subscribe WebJam.